I am in Connecticut. I am headed on some errands. I left Houston yesterday and it was 85 degrees. My flight was a couple hours late because yesterday morning in Connecticut they had about 4 inches of snow, which isn't a big deal for up here. But the morning flights leaving, coming to Houston were late because of de-icing. So de-icing's a tremendously important thing with airplanes in the wintertime, regardless if snow's falling or not. I'm returning Sunday morning, but yet another snowstorm's coming through Saturday night, which will, I am certain, delay the flights on Sunday morning. But hopefully I'll get back in time to get a grocery order and get to the cabin and get things ready. Today is Saturday, the 8th of February. Snowstorm's still on the way. Late last night, I received notification from the airline I was flying back to Houston on from the small regional airport here in New Haven. And the flight wasn't just delayed, it was completely canceled. And to please call for travel assistance. This particular airline only flies back and forth to Houston 2 times a week. So I can't stay until their next flight day. I've got to get back to work for Monday. So I went ahead and booked a ticket on an additional airline for an additional cost, one way to the same airport in Houston that I flew out of, so that I can get back to work and make everybody at work happy. I have received word from that airline today because it's a larger airport, better suited for international travel and the equipment or whatever to take care of Mother Nature when she misbehaves. But they've already pushed that flight back 30 minutes for tomorrow morning, so fingers crossed I will make it back at a reasonable time tomorrow and make my connection in Atlanta in order to get back to Houston so I can go back to work on Monday. Okay, I gotta tell you, I just got back. It's, 5 o'clock, hour drive to get my groceries, another 45 minutes to the cabin. I'm gonna go in, set up the coffee for the morning, pack my gym bag, and I'll show you guys tomorrow what I usually do on Sundays. And I'll lie to you and tell you that it's Sunday, but it's really gonna be a Monday.